Hello and welcome to Matt's Garage. Here we are back at the shed project. We've had some tough weather between some snow and some really freezing temperatures where it's been tough to get out and work. So my progress hasn't been as great as I'd like it to be, but still got a couple of things done. So since the last part, I've added the house wrap. Not too bad, just stapled it on. Pretty simple job. Did not use cap nails or anything fancy like that. The window over on the left is still house wrapped over. Haven't cut out the top of the door. I just got a roll of 100 foot by 3 foot from my local lumber yard. It was fine, and you can see I did some patches up near the gable ends, and also you can see that I've started to add the trim on the fascias and the rakes. And I do that now because with the PVC trim, it's just easier to have all of the trim in place before beginning the actual roofing. I went back and forth as to whether, and you can sort of see it up here, whether to make the top of the PVC trim on the rake faces, flush with the edge of the roof sheathing or not. I decided to just make it flush with the framing members, with the rake, with the rake board itself. I don't really think it matters. I might put a small piece, maybe 1 or 1.5 inch of trim up near the top of that to act like a little bump out for the drip edge. Honestly, I don't think it matters, and really I'm just down to the trim boards on the fascia. In all cases, there's a little reveal or an overlap, if you like, of about 5/16 of an inch. I'll see if I can get in there and show you that over here. You can sort of see that there's an overlap there. That's just a nice detail. I'm using the Cortex screws on this project, so that makes it pretty easy to install. I do use some PVC adhesive. I'm using the Type Bond. I think they call it PVC seal or something like that. So any of these big boards, any of the boards really, I use the caulk gun to get some of that on the back. Position it. You can see a little piece of blocking I have up there to help me position things because I am working alone. I do tack it in with a few 16 gauge nails from the cordless DeWalt 16 gauge nailer. And then I come right along with the Cortex screws. I will just gently hit the exposed brad nails with a nail set, get them hidden, put a little caulk or putty on top of it to hide it. So once I get the fascia trim in place, I can do the rest of the bird boxes really at any time, so I'm not too concerned about those. The next big step after that is the roof, and then once the roof is done, I'll probably come back, fix up the bird boxes. These ends here, obviously there's 4 of them, 1 on each corner of the building. These are actually going to be trimmed. I just want to get the bird box pieces in place because they kind of set the reveal correctly, and then the bottom corners will just be trimmed off. I'll do that either with a hand saw or very quickly with the reciprocating multi-tool, and that's not going to be a problem. I should be able to get a nice clean cut. So again, freezing cold temperatures, not as much progress as I want, but getting there. You can see right here, here's a piece of fascia board trim that is cut exactly to size. That's just ready to go up. Then I'll make another one to match it for the other side, and we'll keep going. So I'm very excited about the project so far. I think it's coming along great, and I really appreciate your support. We're almost up to 100 subscribers, so please use your favorite power tool to hit like, subscribe, and notify. and we'll see you in the next installment.